It's your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Please do well to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the most delicious veggie spaghetti. So guys, let's jump right in. Pour your desired quantity of spaghetti into a boiling water and allow to cook. Pour in some olive oil into a fry pan. Crack the eggs open. Add some soya spice, whisk and fry. For the veggies, begin with zucchini, onions, garlic, peppers, carrots, hot dog, boiled beef and kidney. Although I spiced the beef and kidney with salt, seasoning powder and chili peppers before cooking. Leave to fry for some seconds and add seasoning cube afterwards. Add the rest of the onions after the seasoning cube. Spice it up with rosemary, salt, and soy sauce. Stir properly and cover to steam for 2 minutes. Add the boiled spaghetti in bits and stir while at it. And of course, wrap it up with scrambled eggs. There you go. Delicious veggie spaghetti is ready. I can't wait to have a taste. Yum, yum, yum. Thank you for spending your precious time with me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.